SZHMZC 800 4-spindle CNC pellet mill mold and ring die drilling machine. It is a high-performance processing machine which is designed for high-efficiency processing of ring die, pellet mill mold, while for the biomass granulation machine, feed machine, and other fields. This machine is equipped with 4 high-speed inner water cooling carbide drill spindles, horizontal arrangement. 4 spindles are divided into 2 groups. 2 spindle, 1 group. 2 sets of spindle are arranged symmetrically on the circumference. The servo turntable is in the middle. The ring die centered flat on the servo turntable. When processing the first spindle which machining the large diameter holes start working, when it's switched to the second spindle position, the 4 spindle begin to work together until the machining is completed. The processing efficiency of this machine is 8 to 10 times compared to other company machines. For capacity output, for example, diameter of 700 mm ring die, depth of 70 mm with 1200 holes. For finishing this workpiece takes only 2 to 3 hours. For now, machine exiting on the market needs 2 days. In addition, this machine no need programming. Take each row spacing, hole number, hole depth, and other data respectively into the touch screen. And setting knife then can start processing, easy to operate.